What if I told you that in 2026, not investing might be riskier than investing? While most people your age are scrolling, spending, and hoping for luck, a small group is quietly positioning themselves for millionaire level wealth. Here's the uncomfortable truth: inflation doesn't care about your salary. Savings accounts don't beat time, and waiting for the perfect moment is how wealth slips away. But today, I'm going to walk you through 5 companies that could dominate the next decade. Not hype stocks, not gambling, but real businesses positioned for massive long-term growth. Stay till the end, because stock number 1 is where most millionaires actually start, and almost nobody talks about it. And no, this is not a buy this and retire next year video. If that existed, we'd all be on yachts already. Stock number 5, NVIDIA, AI backbone of the world. Every gold rush has one winner, not the miners. The company selling the shovels. In 2026, AI isn't a trend, it's infrastructure. And NVIDIA sits at the center of it all. From AI data centers to autonomous vehicles to cloud computing, NVIDIA's chips are powering the future quietly, relentlessly, and profitably. If AI reshapes the world, and you're not invested, you're not early, you're late. Let's be honest. Even your phone is getting smarter than half the people on social media. But raw power alone isn't enough. Let's talk about the company controlling how information moves. Stock number 4, Alphabet, Google. Google isn't a search engine, it's a data empire. Search, YouTube, cloud, AI models, advertising. Alphabet monetizes human attention better than almost any company in history. In 2026, as AI integrates deeper into daily life, the company that controls information flow controls money flow. Most people use Google every day, but never own a piece of it. If you use a product daily, shouldn't you own the company? Now let's shift from digital dominance to the real-world economy. Stock number 3. Amazon. Amazon is not an e-commerce company. It's a logistics plus cloud plus automation machine. AWS alone powers huge parts of the internet. And as businesses move online, Amazon gets paid whether the economy is booming or slowing. Amazon doesn't rely on one income stream. It owns multiple money rivers. If Amazon were a country, its GDP would scare some governments. But what if I told you the next stock is boring? And that's exactly why it creates millionaires. Stock number 2, Microsoft. It is not just a software company anymore. It's an AI, cloud, enterprise, and productivity giant quietly embedded into the global economy. From Azure Cloud Services, AI integration with OpenAI, enterprise software used by governments and corporations. Microsoft makes money whether the economy is booming or slowing. If AI reshapes the future, Microsoft is one of the companies selling the tools to everyone else. Even if you hate Microsoft, your job probably still depends on it. And now let's talk about the stock that turns brands into money machines. Stock number 1, Apple. It isn't a phone company, it's a luxury brand disguised as technology. Think about it. Loyal customers, ecosystem lock-in, massive cash flow, pricing power. Most companies dream of Apple doesn't need to grow fast. It needs to grow consistently. And consistency is what creates millionaires over time. People wait years to buy the dip. Meanwhile, Apple quietly compounds in the background. How many products do you own from a company you don't own stock in? These 5 stocks aren't lottery tickets. They're wealth systems. And the difference between $10,000 and a $1,000 isn't income. It's time plus discipline plus compounding. If you're serious about turning smart investments into real wealth, click the video on your screen right now about the power of compounding. That video explains how average people quietly become wealthy and why most never do. I'll see you there.